Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So I'm starting off with using these extra long nail tips. I'm going to be using them as full cover nail tips, and as you see, the cuticle area is a little bit square, so I'm taking my hand file and just rounding out that area so that it fits my cuticle. And I will keep checking to see if I need to file more, and I'm going to be doing this for all of the nails. So when I get to my thumb was a little bit too long for what I wanted. Even though all of these nails are super long, I'm just taking my hand clippers and clipping that down, and then I'm also clipping the sides just to make getting that stiletto shape a little bit easier. And then once I got this as good as I could get it, this is how it ended up looking. And then next I'm taking my press-on nail holders, and I will be putting these on with some double-sided tape. And next I'm going to take my buffer and just buff the shine from all of the nails. And after that is done, I'm just going to remove the dust from all of the nails, and then I'm going to take this Model 1's base coat and apply a layer to all of the nails and cure for 30 seconds. And then after these cure, I'm taking this Beetles gel polish in the color 901, this green color, and I'm going to be painting a good layer over the pinky nail and then curing for 30 seconds. And while that one is in the light, I'm taking this pink shade by ROSALIND and I'm painting the middle finger. And then I will also cure this for 30 seconds, and once I finish this, I will go over both of these nails with a second coat. And then I ended up painting my index finger pink also because I didn't know exactly what I was going to do, but I just decided to paint that one pink as well. And then I'm taking this white, green, and pink. I'm putting some onto this little cardboard box, and then I'm putting a layer of base coat over the thumb, a generous amount because I'm going to do marble. And like I said in my last video, I love to do marble, but I really didn't realize that I did marble back to back. So I'm doing marble again, and I'm just doing the same exact thing like I did in my last video. I put a layer of base coat, and then with my brush I'm just smearing the colors into that base gel to create this marble effect. And then once I get it how I want, I'm just going to cure in the light for 30 seconds. And then I will also be doing the ring finger like this as well. once I had both of those nails cured, this is how the nails look like so far. And then next I'm going in with this makartt nail foil glue, and I'm taking these angel nail foils, and these are super pretty. I really have some ideas for this blue color here, but I'm not using this today. I'm going to be using this one. So I'm taking this out, and then I'm going to add a thin layer over the middle finger, just a thin layer, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And if it looks like I'm adding a lot, I'm not. This nail is just super long, but once I get a good coverage, I'm just going to cure this for 60 seconds. And then I also let this sit a little bit before I put on my transfer foils. And then when doing this, I just line it up to where I want it to be, and then firmly press the foil into the nails. And I did this for about 30 to 40 seconds just to make sure that all of it came off. And I will say that this was one of my best transfer foils, because I've been watching Just Doing Nails, and she did a video on transfer foils, and she recommended curing it for 60 seconds and then letting it sit. So I tried that, and this works so good. And then here I'm just going to the bottom to where it didn't reach, and I'm putting on some more of these roses, and I'm doing the same thing. And once I do that, I'm going to add a layer of top coat and cure for 30 seconds. And while that nail is in the light, I'm going to repeat the same steps on my pinky nail, and I'm just going to let you guys watch this process, and I will come back. Then once those are out the light, these are how the nails are looking. These are super cute, but I felt like the index finger was a little bit too plain, so I'm adding some top coat to the left side of this nail, and I'm going to be doing a bling outline, but I'm working in sections, so I'm just going to put some rhinestones on the outside of this nail, making sure that they aren't too far down and they are straight. And then once I finish with this section, I'm going to flash cure and then add more top coat to where I want to put the rhinestones until I finish this whole nail. And this was my favorite part, seeing the outcome of this nail, and this is super pretty. This is my first time doing something like this, and I'm always excited for like when it's my first time doing something and it comes out super good. It just makes me feel so like proud of myself. But next I'm going on to these marble nails, my thumb and my ring finger, and I'm adding some rhinestones to the cuticle area of these nails, and once I get those on, I will be done with the bling. And this is how the nails turn out. And next I'm going to add some top coat to my nails, and since the other three were already top coated, I'm just going to add some to the thumb and ring finger and then cure for 60 seconds. And when it comes out the light, these are how the nails turn out. I feel like these are super pretty, like these are super different. I love that bling finger. This was my favorite one. Comment down below which one was your favorite. And this is what these nails look like in natural sunlight. Look how that bling is shining when the sun hits it. This is super cute. And I'm going to put these on and I will show you how they look. These are how these nails look, super long. Even though I won't be wearing these, this was just for a video. These came out super pretty, as I keep mentioning. But as always, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.